Okay, this video is going to show you how to use Kaplan to its fullest. So I'm on my iPad right now and I'm on the web version of POL, desktop version. Don't use the mobile version. So here's the home page, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on licensing and education. It's going really slow, of course. Then we're gonna go to steps to licensing. We're gonna hit, so you might, if you're on your phone, you're gonna see it, or you're gonna see it where these gray bars are in a line. We're gonna go to securities. And then when you're first starting out, you guys are gonna go into SIE. And there's gonna be this pop-up window that says, just because you pass the SIE, doesn't mean that you're going to be guaranteed a license, but you just hit don't show again and you won't ever see that again. A couple of things on this page. We're gonna most of the time spend most of our time right here, but we also have these things called the edge videos, and we have the practice test. You guys are gonna hit those in a little bit. So first we're gonna go to access the Kaplan, and then we're gonna hit I agree. Okay, so now you're gonna pop up with the screen. The first time you're here, you're gonna go into the what I call the long blue bar. You're gonna hit register, and you're gonna click here to register. And it's gonna take you to a shopping cart. It should say 0, okay? Every other time, you're gonna go to already enrolled. Kaplan does go slow. It's loading. And then most of the time, the first time you see this screen, okay? We make sure we click on SIE, and it takes you to the dashboard. Now, they highly suggest that you do the calendar. I, for some reason, don't have access to the calendar anymore, but let me just show you a few things that are in here. Here is where you're going to download the PDF of the book. Here's the audio version. Class notes are just the notes to follow along with either the video library or the on-demand course. This on-demand course are short videos on every topic. So when I say read the book or watch the videos, those are the two ones that I'm talking about. QBank, we spend a lot of time in there. This is where we do our custom quiz. If you have access to the calendar, you're gonna go check mark all of the tasks that are on there, and these are where the checkpoint exams are, which I highly suggest that we do. We have a midterm exam, a practice, and a mastery. These are really good, strong indicators that you guys are ready to pass that test, okay? So let me show you how to do a custom quiz. We're gonna go ahead and click on QBank, and we come to the screen right here. This is the simulated exams. These are 75 question, all unit quizzes that are timed, and also they do not give you immediate feedback. But custom quiz is where we really try to focus our information. So you click on that button. Right here is where we are going to name it. Name it whatever you want. Like sometimes I go, okay, I'm gonna take a unit 1 12 question quiz, okay? And here's where we get to pick our quizzes. Now, if you're on a phone, you see it like this. Every once in a while, you need to look at it on an iPad or a computer because now it shows you the details. And sometimes I ask you guys, hey, give me a breakdown of this, because this right here tells me exactly where you guys are having some struggles. So we could either hit all questions, or we can go through here and break it down between unit 1, like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Okay, so this is gonna be a unit 1 quiz. So I'm just gonna check mark the first section. It doesn't say 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's in that order, okay? Then we're going to go to unused, and we're gonna change our number of questions to 12, okay? I don't like show score as you go. It's kind of a mental thing, but definitely show answer explanations, okay? Then we launch quiz. And then it'll take you to your quiz. It's loading, and here we go. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your best guess. And, okay, I'm sorry, I got that one right on accident. I just clicked the button. Right or wrong, what you're gonna do is you're going to look at the explanation. These reference numbers are gonna come into play on my next video where I show you how to break it down. But either way, you read the explanation and if it's something that you feel like you're not gonna be able to remember, which is most of the time in the very beginning, you're gonna rewrite that explanation in your own words as short and concise as possible, just so that you can remember it next time, okay?